Hey, good morning. Today, we're gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna actually be doing some work on my car. The front driver's window kind of fritzed out on me last night, and I believe I know what's wrong with it, so I'm actually gonna take that apart today and try and fix that. So, here goes. Let me show you exactly what the problem is here, okay? As you can see that? It kind of, oh, there it goes. Pop back in the track, but as soon as I try and go up and down with this window, it's falling crooked. Let me try and show you. See? So that's my problem. So now I'm gonna attempt to fix it. All right, let's get started. Found it right here already. You see that? Look right in here. This here, right there, the window is supposed to be in that. So, it doesn't look broken, but I'm gonna cut all this old silicone out of it. Alright, I'm gonna try and reuse this old one because it isn't broken. So it's been a little bit more than 24 hours since I applied the silicone to my window clip. So I haven't even tried it yet. This is the first time. Let's see how we did. Well, it looks like it's fixed. So, good deal. I'm pleased with that. Now all I gotta do is pop my door panel on and call it good. All right then. Looks like it's fixed. Hey, thanks for watching.